If you're still relying on reactive or paper-based processes to maintain your assets, your program might be costing you more than it's saving. Innovapptive can help you digitally transform with Innovapptive Mobile Operator Rounds, an easy-to-configure application that delivers quick, thorough, and accurate operational information to drive real-time decisions. Eliminate inefficient paper-based processes with a fully digital, integrated solution that puts everything your operators need at their fingertips, including notes, equipment diagrams, historical data, and more. Intuitive and easy-to-follow workflows make it simple to complete all mandatory tasks and record measurements using touchscreens on a tablet, mobile device, or desktop. Ensure accuracy with features like inline error requests, create work requests directly at the point of measurement, and take advantage of mobile device native capabilities like GPS, barcode scanning, and camera to capture pictures or other documentation during the round. Instant access to an array of digital forms and check sheets allows operators to enter faults and create alerts when data is outside of an acceptable range. Simplify digital field inspections with the ability to view all operator rounds at a glance, quickly see the status of any round, and seamlessly manage due dates and shifts or reassign to another operator. Access and review round plans with just a few clicks, and effortlessly make updates using templates that allow you to add and manage tasks with ease and efficiency. If you're facing time-consuming paper-based equipment and safety inspection problems, Innovapptive's mobile operator rounds can help by enabling you to digitize inspections, boost productivity, and gain real-time visibility into asset data. To learn more, please contact us today.